Welcome to our channel. Today we how to log into Interactive Brokers client portal, complete guide step by step clearly. To begin logging into the Interactive Brokers client portal, open your preferred web browser. In the address bar, type in the URL www.interactivebrokers.com. Press the enter key on your keyboard. Once the website loads, locate the login button at the top right corner of the homepage. Click on the login button. A drop-down menu will appear. From this menu, select Client Portal. You will be directed to the login page for the client portal. Enter your username in the designated field. Next, input your password in the corresponding field. Make sure to double-check your login credentials for accuracy. If you wish to stay logged in on this device, check the box next to Remember Me. Once all information is filled out, click the Login. If your credentials are correct, you will be granted access to your client portal dashboard. In the case of a forgotten password, click on the Forgot Password link. Follow the prompts to reset your password. After resetting, return to the login page to enter your new password. Once logged in, take a moment to familiarize yourself with the layout and features available. You can now manage your investments and account settings from the client portal. If you encounter any issues during the login process, consult the support section for assistance. You are now ready to navigate the Interactive Brokers client portal effectively. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. If your password is not accepted, use the reset option and create a new strong password you can remember. Check your spam folder for verification or security emails, then complete any requested confirmation steps. Enable two-factor authentication if available to improve account security and reduce unauthorized access risk. After signing in, review your profile details so your contact information and settings are accurate and current. If you see an error message, note it down and try again after restarting your device and internet connection. Log out when you finish, especially on shared devices, to keep your account and payment information secure. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.